Ever wondered if Zillow's Zestimate or Redfin's Estimate is the holy grail for figuring out your home's worth? Let's dive in and see how reliable these online tools really are in under 90 seconds. First, Zillow's Zestimate. It's generated using publicly available data, like property characteristics, sales data, and tax assessments. Think of it as an automated guesstimate based on an algorithm, but take it with a grain of salt. The accuracy varies greatly. Zillow themselves admit that the Zestimate's median error rate can differ significantly depending on the location and the availability of data. Now, let's look at Redfin's Estimate. Similar to Zillow, it relies on an algorithm and publicly available data. However, Redfin also factors in data from the multiple listing service, or MLS, if available, which can sometimes make it a bit more precise. Keep in mind both tools have their limitations. They can't account for unique features, recent renovations, or the overall condition of the property that a real estate appraiser would consider. A fresh kitchen remodel or a leaky roof can dramatically impact value, something an algorithm simply can't detect. So, should you ignore Zillow and Redfin altogether? Not necessarily. They're great starting points for getting a general idea of value. Use them to get familiar with the market and track property trends. Your next best step is to research comparable properties, homes that have recently sold in your area with similar features. This will give you a better, more grounded sense of current market value. Ultimately, the most accurate valuation comes from a professional real estate appraiser or experienced local real estate agent. Use Zillow and Redfin for initial research, but always consult the pros before making any major decisions.